Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial video on the Waltz Clog. Have fun with it. Okay, everybody knows that a waltz is in a 3 count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So with the Waltz Clog, it's gonna fit perfectly in that time signature, but we're just gonna add on a couple of little easy steps. So we're gonna start with the right foot and we're gonna step on the right foot, step, and then we're going to do a shuffle on the left foot, shuffle, and then a ball change, and then we're going to do it all on the left foot. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. So the counts are 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. To the front, that is 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, a little bit faster. 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 2 and 2 and 3, 3 and 2 and 3, 4 and 2 and 3. Once you've mastered the step, you can also do it around in a circle. 1 and 2 and 3, 2 and 2 and 3, 3 and 2 and 3, 4 and 2 and 3. Let's do it one more time, just a tad bit faster. 3 and 2 and 3, 4 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 2 and 2 and 3, 3 and 2 and 3, 4 and 2 and 3. Great job on the Waltz Clog, you guys. I hope you had fun with it. If you're having fun with my videos, please make sure to check out my other videos and also subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button below, and make sure to comment. Also, if you want me to take a look at how you're progressing and how you're doing with each step, feel free to follow me on Instagram and tag me in one of your videos. Thanks guys, have fun tapping.